Hey my Hawaiian dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's Savana.Renee here, back with another video. I'm back today with a hair review on the hair that I have in my head installed. I've been having this hair over a month now, and you're probably wondering like, girl, why are you just now recording? But I just had a lot of stuff going on in the month of February, so I really didn't have like time to really record. This hair is from Snobmobb boutique. I have 3 bundles, 30 inches, and I have a transparent frontal that is 26 inches. Let me show you the little thing that I got. The texture that I got was the Japanese straight. I have a sew-in. The person that has been doing my hair for this install and forever is Touched by TJ. Y'all, I will definitely leave it here and in the description box below. This hair does not shed. Nothing is coming out. Nothing. Sometimes I forget to actually tie up my lace, and I can legit say that this hair has no tangles at all. It doesn't get matted. Like, it really is like so flowy. If I could rate this hair, I'd give it a 10 out of 10, because this hair, I can let it speak for itself, but it is really bomb. So I dyed this hair jet black myself. Oh, it came, of course, as a 1B. The color that I used for dyeing my hair jet black was the Dark and Lovely. I don't have any problems with my hair, like any complaints. Cause trust me, baby, I will tell y'all if the hair is trash. Even with 3 bundles, like, my hair still looks super full. Comment down below what's the longest length you've ever had, because I do want to try 40. Comment down below if you've ever had a frontal, or what is your experience on frontals, or how do you feel about frontals. What color you think I should try next. If you have any questions or anything that I didn't answer in this video, let me know. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Bye.